Buongiorno, I'm up in the Madonie Mountains in Piano Farina in Giacinto Cageiossi's farm. This is a really rustic area, a really beautiful place. I visit it every year and it helps me to unwind, and my clients get to unwind for the day. It's a place where it's a different part of Sicily. It's a place where you just get to say, I'm going to relax, have a bit of wine, bit of cheese, and share what Giacinto has to offer. Giacinto has much to offer. He makes his own ricotta, he sells it, and the caciocavallo, the stracciatella, and there's a couple of people that are from another part of Sicily and a German lady here today. So we're going to go and spend and watch Giacinto make and there's someone talking too. Un altro visitore.